Wild blue phlox, also known as woodland phlox or wild sweet william, is a beautiful perennial flower native to North America. With its delicate blue flowers and sweet fragrance, it adds a charming touch to any garden or natural landscape. If you're interested in growing and caring for wild blue phlox, this video will provide you with all the information you need to cultivate and maintain this lovely plant. Choosing the right location. Wild blue phlox thrives in partially shaded areas with moist, well-draining soil. It is commonly found growing in woodlands or along stream banks. When selecting a spot for planting, consider providing it with dappled sunlight or morning sun and afternoon shade. This will help mimic its natural habitat and promote healthy growth. Planting wild blue phlox. Timing. The best time to plant wild blue phlox is in early spring or fall. Avoid planting during extreme temperatures or during the hot summer months. Soil preparation. Before planting, prepare the soil by removing any weeds, rocks, or debris. Amend the soil with organic matter such as compost to improve drainage and fertility. Spacing. Space the plants about 12 to 18 inches apart to allow for proper air circulation and growth. Planting depth. Dig a hole that is slightly larger than the plant's root ball. Place the plant in the hole, ensuring that the crown is level with the soil surface. Backfill the hole and gently firm the soil around the roots. Watering and moisture. Watering. Wild blue phlox prefers moist soil but not waterlogged conditions. Water the plants regularly, especially during dry spells or periods of drought. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch, such as shredded bark or compost, around the base of the plants. This will help conserve moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Fertilization. Wild blue phlox generally doesn't require heavy fertilization. However, if the soil is poor or lacks nutrients, you can apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in early spring or after the blooming period. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer packaging for the appropriate application rate. Propagation. Wild blue phlox can be propagated through division or seed. Division. Every 3 to 4 years, divide mature clumps of wild blue phlox in early spring or fall. Dig up the clump and gently separate it into smaller sections, each with healthy roots. Replant the divisions in prepared soil. Seed. Collect seeds from mature seed pods in late summer or early fall. Sow the seeds in a well-prepared seed bed or individual containers. Keep the soil consistently moist until the seeds germinate and establish. Growing and caring for wild blue phlox is a rewarding endeavor that can add beauty and charm to your garden or landscape.